Hi, today I'm going to make these really cute Christmas decorations. Very easy to make. Materials I'm using are, this is a paper cord. These are different papers. This is golden metallic paper, glitter paper in ivory, black, silver, red, and this is ordinary pastel colored paper in pink. So first I'll just draw out a shape of a gnome. Like so, and I'll just cut it out. So this is how it will look. If you wish, you can take it, download a file, an image from the internet and use that. So now I'll just cut these pieces separate. So this will be the hat. And you have the shoes. So this is one shoe. And this is the other shoe. And then you also have this. This is the beard. You have the beard, and from the hat I will just cut out a circle like so. First I'll take the red glitter sheet, and on this I'm going to trace the hat. Like so, and I'll just cut it out. So this is that ivory paper. So I'll just trace the beard on this and cut it out. So this is how they look: the red hat, the ivory beard, black shoes, and a golden colored drop. From the golden paper, metallic paper, I've cut out the shape of the gnome, which is slightly bigger than these all together. So now I'll just stick these one by one. So first you have the hat. Apply glue. And just go with the outline. like this. Next I'll stick, I'll just keep the beard and see that where it fits. So before you stick the beard, you stick the shoes. So these are the two shoes, which will stick like this on this. So I've stuck the shoes, so I'll just stick this beard also. Like so, and the circle on the cap. Like so. From the pink paper, I've cut out an oval, which is a little big. So this will be here, it will be stuck here. But I'll stick it using the double glue, the double tape, because it will give a kind of a, a 3D look. So just cut out a piece. I'll just put something heavy on this because it seems to be not sticking. And put it at the back of the nose. And this I'll stick this under the cap. And this is how the gnome will look. Very cute, very easy to make. Then just cut a piece from this, from the paper cord. Tie a knot at the end. And you can use this to hang your gnome. So I made another one. You can make it in any color that you like so.